So now I'm just going to add a ring for the mushroom. Okay, so it's just going to be in here a little above. So it looks like a moss. Okay, so I have the microwave sponge made, and I'm just going to use it a bit differently to just make it look like it is the ring with a lot of pores and textures. I'm just going to remove this from the cup. So I'm just going to cut through this into smaller discs. I'm just going to add one. So this I'm just going to leave it aside. Let me see. So this one I'm just going to start peeling from here and then just take it out like a lengthy strip that just comes together like one long strip. So when you have a long strip like that, I'm just going to press down on one end and then flatten it out. So you have one end like opened out and broad, the other end, because this is the one that's going to go on the stem of the mushroom. Okay, so now once I have this, it's going to get the mushroom. I'm going to get some glue and brush. I'm just going to get the glue. I'm just going to get this and stick it around. If there's excess, I'm just going to remove that out. You just plainly dust it later depending on whether this is like a cleaner mushroom or you're going to give it the natural look of giving it like the dirty look. Then you just dust with a little bit of brown petal dust, just some powder colors over it. Okay, so this looks good. We could just stop it with just one of this ring around, or we could just go on and then add here. But I kind of like this ombre shade going all over the stem, and so I just don't want to disturb this by keeping this here. It looks like a distraction onto the stem here. So I just stop with one of this. So this one additional detail of adding the rings to the stem of the mushroom is done. I have one last thing to do. I will catch you up in that lesson.